How to fix app issues on QUMATIX using your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. To fix app issues on QUMATIX, first of all ensure that the application is updated via the Google Play Store or App Store. Go ahead and open up your Google Play Store application. Once you're inside it, go to the bottom center and tap the search icon. In the search bar, type in QUMATIX and search. Look for the QUMATIX Trading Tool application and check if there is an update button available. If there is, tap on the update button to download the latest version of QUMATIX. Once you do that, you'll be downloading the latest version of QUMATIX app. After the update is done, tap on the open button. Now the next thing you want to do is to clear app cache and data. Go back to your home screen on your Android and tap on settings. Inside the settings menu, scroll down and tap on apps. Under the apps tab, select QUMATIX from the list and tap on it. This will take you to the app info section where you need to tap on clear data at the bottom right, and in the pop-up, click on clear cache and click OK. Now tap on the clear all data button at the bottom right corner and click on OK. This will delete all of the data from the QUMATIX application. Now you'll need to go ahead and log in again in the QUMATIX app, and once you do that, this might help you fix your issue. If the problem still persists, the next thing you want to do is to uninstall the QUMATIX app and reinstall it again. Press and hold the QUMATIX application from the app drawer and tap on the trash icon. In the pop-up, click on uninstall and the application will be uninstalled. Now get back to your Google Play Store and search for QUMATIX again and tap on install. Once you do that, while the application is done with the installation, you'll be able to fix most of the issues of the app. You'll need to sign in again, and then once you are inside, you'll be able to fix the app not working issue. You can also try restarting your device and opening up QUMATIX again if the problem still does not solve. So those were the simple method you can use whenever the QUMATIX application is not working properly on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.